man in Columbus.
Right, Taylor Lee turning 5 years old this year. She's got her My Little Pony.
My goodness.
Heck yeah, she got a little My Little Pony there.
She loaded for bear.
Happy birthday, Taylor.
On to the double digits. Cheyenne Fowler celebrating her 11th birthday. We've got a 4-H participant on our hands. A very happy birthday to you, Cheyenne.
Grand champion at that. Awesome. Congratulations. Kelly Evans is turning 11 years old this year. That's a great picture of Kelly there in Columbus.
Caden Thiel, now 12. Future rock star on our hands right there. Caden, keep up the great work, my man. He's in Columbus.
Looks like he's feeling that music. All right, Brady Otter turning 13 years old this year. Happy birthday to Brady in Nevada.
Well, Nevada Tiger Pride right there. Go get him, number 45. Jake Eddington, he's celebrating his 17th birthday. Jake, I want you to have a wonderful day in Columbus.
Andrew O'Doherty turning 18 years old this year. Nice picture there of Andrew in Pittsburgh.
In Jasper, Megan Fisher is celebrating her 22nd birthday. Megan, these birthday wishes coming with love from Granny and Papa.
Right, in Nevada, turning 27, it's time to celebrate for Michael Fritz.
JD Hatch, celebrating number 57. JD, a very happy birthday. He's out in Yates Center.
In Jasper, Missouri, Mary Woodhouse turning 64 years old this weekend. Happy birthday, Mary.
We've got reason to celebrate a 90th birthday for Lavinia Roemiller. Miss Roemiller, have a marvelous birthday. She celebrates in Miami.
All right, well, that's her birthday cake there. Have a piece of that. All right, Lavinia, happy birthday.
We go Lavinia's for lunch.
Sure.
Well, look, I mean, she's got a spread there.
Yes, I'll eat dessert for lunch.
No, we can't bother her on her birthday.
Happy birthday. Right, Rhonda Cooley in Columbus. She celebrated a big birthday yesterday. Hope it was a blast. Continuing on into the weekend. Happy birthday, Rhonda.
Amy Wade celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Amy in Pittsburgh.
And Gary and Sharon Terry. The Terrys are celebrating their 5th anniversary this year. Congrats to them out in Carthage.
We've got a 61st anniversary, and we're going to bust out the original wedding photo right there as Ernest and Lou Winslow are celebrating in Lamar. And Mr. and Mrs. Winslow, I want you to know that this anniversary wishes comes with love from all of the kids, the grandkids, and that one little great-granddaughter that I know you guys love to spoil. Congratulations.
Oh, what a great
Who that
picture.
is?
Great picture. Hey, it's our own Daniel Rennie, one of our master control operator extraordinaires. Happy birthday, Daniel.
Good dude right there. Love talking to him. Happy birthday, Daniel. Have a great day, my man. West Payne, happy 39. Larry Hyatt has a birthday. A happy birthday to Larry in Columbus. And Janet Bacon, a happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right, Pat Bennett in Pittsburgh is celebrating a birthday this weekend. Jim and Ann Mangarelli are celebrating 44 years together. Congratulations to them out in Girard. And the models, Todd and Amber Model, are celebrating 10 years, their 10th anniversary this year. They're in Pittsburgh.
Happy birthday to Jeff Scott, Mr. Jeff. He is in Fort Scott. And Pat Black. A happy birthday to you. Pat is in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all as we push into the weekend. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. Also connect to us via our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right. Yes, you can become a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.